Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever worked with Smartsheet and found yourself squinting at text that just gets sliced off at the edge of a cell, this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to wrap text inside a cell in Smartsheet. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make all your notes, details, or project info easy to read right inside your grids, without anything being hidden or awkwardly cut off. Let's jump right in. Imagine you've just typed a long sentence or pasted a bunch of details into a single cell, and you notice that as soon as your text hits the border of the column, it gets chopped off. You might be tempted to just make the column wider, but sometimes that's not realistic, especially when you're sharing a sheet with a team or trying to fit everything on one screen. So the first thing you'll want to do is click on the cell that holds your long text. You can do this with a single click, which simply selects the cell, or you can double-click if you want to see the entire text inside and maybe even make a few edits. Double-clicking is also a great way to confirm that, yes, there really is more text hiding in there than what's visible at first glance. Once you've verified that the text is too long and it's being cut off at the column edge, and trust me, this happens all the time when you're using detailed descriptions or comments, it's time to fix it. Take a look at the top navigation bar in Smartsheet, the toolbar that runs right above your sheet. You'll see a bunch of icons that control how your text appears. Look for the one that resembles a little rectangle with lines stacking on top of each other. That's the Wrap Text button. Go ahead and click on it while your cell, or even multiple cells if you select a whole range, is highlighted. As soon as you do, you'll notice your long sentence will now automatically drop down to a new line right within the same cell. Instead of spilling out and getting sliced off, your text is wrapped neatly, making everything visible at a glance. This is incredibly helpful for project notes, addresses, or task details that just can't be crammed onto one line. It's kind of like folding a letter to fit perfectly inside an envelope rather than letting the edges poke out. Don't worry if the wrapping doesn't look perfect right away. You might have to adjust your row height if you want everything to be visible without scrolling or hovering. Smartsheet usually does this for you, but in some cases, you might need to manually tweak it by dragging the bottom border of the row down just a bit. Now, if you ever decide that you want your cell to go back to showing text all on one line, maybe you've shortened your words, or you just prefer it that way, simply click the Wrap Text button again. It acts like a toggle. Click once to wrap, click again to unwrap. And that's it. Super simple, but it makes a huge difference when you're organizing information in Smartsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or run into any trouble. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy guides just like this, and I'll see you in the next video.